Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update before I leave work. Still in this bull flag. We haven't broken out yet. There's a possibility to come back down and retest the lower end of this bull flag. So we'll have to wait and see. Let's do a new target while I have you on stream. We'll get rid of that. So I still have a short-term target of 74,000. But let's do a flagpole. Really simple way of doing this is just go top to bottom. All right. Pull this out to where you assume, let's assume the breakout point is over here somewhere. So we're speculating still currently. And what does that give us? It gives us a breakout target of, roughly speaking, there you go, 92,000. So I'm hearing a lot of stuff based on a lot of other factors between 90, I say 83,000 and 90,000 is the kind of the breakout point for this. So this is just the measured move for the bull flag. So I would like to see a little bit further pullback like the 67.7, which is the point of control of this entire range, and then make a big bounce. That'd make for a great long opportunity. We have been kind of bearish. We had some selling. We have looking for a distribution, but really haven't gotten one. The bulls have kind of stepped up the game here a little bit. So you see we have repeating fractals on multiple time frames. We have the inverse head and shoulders, which plays out. Right now we're forming another inverse head and shoulders too. If this gets to be another green dot trigger wave, we're going to rock it this weekend. So keep in mind though too, usually Easter weekend is usually kind of quiet. Doesn't have to be, just usually that's the case. Especially when there's, ooh, look at that. You got actually a bull div here, as long as this prints in the next hour. Waiting for this level here to hold. If that's the case, I'll place another long, but I've been getting stopped out on in between levels. So just remember, try to trade main levels, big support resistance flips. Those are your higher probability trades. Otherwise, you're like me and you're just wasting a bunch of money on trades that you shouldn't be in anyways. So always set a stop loss, prevents bigger losses, but still, even just getting repeated stopped out just adds up in terms of fees. So sometimes the best thing to just buy and hold. So yeah, we have a bull div here, which I didn't even see on the 24-minute. So this might be a good spot to get for a long. And I'm not going to talk about anything else. Everything else is waiting on Bitcoin. The one thing I have been looking for, and it's been really good price right now, is FET AI. FET AI is at a great price, bouncing off of the 618. So I like to, or one, yes, yeah, 618. Like to see another retest, and in the shorter time frame, get back above the 20 EMA, and look for another move there. It has been more bearish, but just more of a selling. And the initial head and shoulders pattern here really hasn't played out, and it got invalidated by this one wick here. So I'm waiting to see what happens, and I'd like to see more of a structure change. So something like this, come back down, come back up, break this. You're looking for that break here, and look for a retest. On that retest is where you'd enter, and then you go for your long in that direction. So if you're looking to buy spot, nothing I just said makes any difference to you anyways. PUNDU's getting absolutely rocked. I got hammered on terms of a stop loss. I'm going to 5x long on this one. So it is what it is. But at some point in time, there's going to be a bottom. That'd be a great opportunity to buy in terms of a low leverage long. Just not when the rest of the market's correcting, because it looks like it was following Bitcoin a lot last night. So a lot of people have sold off. They've sold off like $2.5 million worth of liquidity and actually $5 million in the market cap. So we've dropped a lot overnight. Project is far from dead. There's a lot of big influencers pushing it. It's just crappy timing, really. In terms of Pulse Chain ecosystem, still rinsing out weekends. People are selling like crazy, man. I'm just chilling in the liquidity farm of PLS, PLSX. Not much else to say there. And then Ring has blown up. So sorry I sold. So I sold at the initial pump over here. I sold in the 30-cent range, so didn't buy back in. I was away, and I had no idea. But yeah, I think they also have a partnership with, I think someone told me, like Amazon or something crazy. So again, the AI narrative with projects like this that actually have a real-world use case is pretty sweet. So wouldn't be a bad spot to DCA back in. It's another smaller project that has a lot of potential, although now it's a $46 million market cap versus I think when we first found it was like 10 or 11 million. So it's done a lot. So yeah, pay attention to the market. Not much is going on overall. Very indecisive at the moment in terms of the time frame, what we're doing for this current range we're sitting in. kind of bouncing around. We've got combination of spot selling and buying, although spot looks like it's buying at the moment, and perps are selling. So CVD is flat, so there really is not really much of a signal. So if you're going to long now, it's a gamble. So, all right, guys, nothing to say is financial advice. Best of luck. If you celebrate Easter, have a happy Easter, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya.